There are several platforms and methods available for buying cryptocurrencies, and the easiest way can depend on your location and personal preferences. Here are some common options. 1. Cryptocurrency exchanges. Online cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken are popular platforms for buying cryptocurrencies. They offer user-friendly interfaces and support various payment methods, such as bank transfers, credit, debit cards, and sometimes even PayPal. These exchanges typically require you to create an account, complete the verification process, and then you can deposit funds and make purchases. 2. Peer-to-peer exchanges. Peer-to-peer exchanges, such as local Bitcoins and Paxful, connect buyers and sellers directly, allowing you to purchase cryptocurrencies from individuals. These platforms facilitate trades and provide escrow services to ensure secure transactions. P2P exchanges often offer a wide range of payment options to cater to different needs. 3. Cryptocurrency ATMs. Cryptocurrency ATMs are physical machines that allow you to buy cryptocurrencies using cash or a debit credit card. These ATMs are typically found in major cities and offer a straightforward way to purchase cryptocurrencies. However, they might have higher fees compared to online exchanges. 4. Mobile apps. Some mobile apps like Coinbase, Binance, and Robinhood provide a convenient way to buy cryptocurrencies directly from your smartphone. These apps often offer user-friendly interfaces, support multiple payment methods, and provide additional features like portfolio tracking. When choosing an exchange or platform, it's essential to consider factors such as security, fees, available cryptocurrencies, liquidity, and regulatory compliance. Additionally, it's crucial to store your cryptocurrencies securely in a wallet that you control, rather than leaving them on an exchange. Before investing in cryptocurrencies, it's recommended to educate yourself about the risks involved. Conduct thorough research and consider seeking advice from financial professionals. Cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile, so it's important to make informed decisions and only invest what you can afford to lose.